In this video guide, we will provide you with help to get rid of the unwanted browser extension called Daily Tab. Daily Tab is a special application or browser extension that is designed specifically for the Google Chrome browser. It was found that Daily Tab is a browser hijacker that changes the settings of the affected web browser to promote the special fake search engine called search.dailystop.com. So if you have noticed that this Daily Tab has somehow hijacked your browser, your Google Chrome browser, you should definitely undertake the measures to get rid of it. By the way, Daily Tab extension also makes alteration to some other settings, not just the default search engine. It may also affect the home page and the new tab page. I'm going to install this extension on purpose in order to let you know what happens after it gets installed and in order to help you understand how to get rid of it manually from your computer and from your Google Chrome browser. Typically, this extension called Daily Tab is spread through integration with some free applications, and you should be very careful not to install any third-party programs which could be bundled by default with some free software. In case this Daily Tab extension was mistakenly installed into your Google Chrome browser, you will notice that the results are delivered by some other shady or partially legitimate search engines. In any case, it is advisable not to use fake search engines and browser hijackers. You need to be careful, first of all, to check the control panel of your computer, and if you locate any suspicious applications here on the list, be sure to uninstall them to get rid of them in the manual way. If you find something suspicious here, right-click on it and uninstall it right away. Also, speaking about the unwanted browser extensions, you also should get rid of them from your Google Chrome. Access the menu, go to More Tools, then choose Extensions. So now if you find any third-party extensions here on the list, you should definitely get rid of them, and this should fix the issues with your browser. So now we see this Daily Tab extension. When we open the new browser tab, we notice that this extension has indeed hijacked the new tab, and as we said, it also has hijacked the default search engine. So deactivate this extension and remove the extension completely. After you do that, the problem should be fixed very well, and the extension should no longer control your browser settings. Finally, I recommend you to research the system additionally with Combo Cleaner antivirus by going to the page combocleaner.com. Download the software using this green button, install the application, and start researching your device to detect and delete other threats from the system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.